Now, let's start understanding and knowing what is bar graph, okay? A bar graph is a type of graphs where we use bars to show data. What are the bars? Can you see the green, the yellow, and the blue, the orange ones? Those ones we call it bars. We call those ones, all of those we call it bars, okay? So how does the bar show data? Is it useful? Can we use it? Can we understand numbers through it? Yes, we can, okay? You have to look at where the bars end. Let's do it together. Now, this is the bar for, first of all, this graph is for children playing games. This is the title, okay? Now, here the outdoor games, which are basketball, jump rope, soccer, and tag, okay? Now, if I want to understand the bar here for the basketball, I want to know the number of children here. Okay, for the bar graph, I want you to understand two important things. That we have something we call it axis, okay? I know that this word is too big for you to understand it now because you will understand it later, but you have to understand that we have two axes. It's like, I will show it to you, okay? Let's go back to page 671 where we got this picture graph. Okay, have you got it? Okay, now do we have anything written down here? I will use the colors so you can understand what I mean. Do you have anything written here other than the key? No, right? Nothing. We got nothing. We got only here, right? Okay, this is not the case in the bar graph. Let's see. Let's turn back to our page 671. Here we got the games. Here, the 4 games. And we got here another thing, which is the number of children. You cannot find this in the tally chart or the picture graph. You can find it only in the bar graph. And I will tell you why. Now here, how can I understand the bar? If it's without all of this part, okay? Of course, don't do what I'm doing now, okay? I'm just trying to explain a point for you. Now, let's look to the data here. Can I figure out how many children are playing basketball? No, nothing. How many children are playing jump rope, soccer, tag? No, I can't. So, the importance of this part that I crossed was that it helped me to understand what the bar mean by looking at the end of the bar, like this one here, and look to the number down. Can you see the number here? It's number 6. So now I can say that 6 children are playing basketball. Excellent. Now, for the jump rope, I look to the bar of the jump rope. And at the end of the bar, this part, I go down, 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 till I reach a number. Now, number 3 here means what? Means the number of children who plays jump rope. Okay? Now, I hope you understand what I mean. This is the importance of this part, all this part. That it helps me to understand the bar. And how is that when the bar ends, this is the number of children, a number of students, whatever was the thing that is written down here. Okay, now I want to know how many students, or how many children playing games, because here it's written children. Okay, now for the soccer game, we will see the bar, this blue bar, and we will move till we reach the end of the bar, right? The blue one. And we go down, and we will find number 8, which means 8 children, okay, play what? Play soccer. Excellent. So what about tag? For the tag, we will move with the orange bar till we reach the end. And we stop here and we go down and we find the number 5, which means 5 children are playing tag. So as you can see here, for a paragraph, we have 2 axes, not only one. Not like the picture graph. We have information written here with numbers, okay? It can be the opposite, by the way, okay? We can get the numbers here, for example, okay, and the name of the games here. But in all cases, you will have 2 axes, not one, okay? Now, let's see the share and show part. Use the bar graph. Let's look to the bar graph before start to answer the questions, okay?